Ito si Kelra, ang gold laner ng Fnatic Onyx PH. Ginamit niya si Iritel sa M6 World Championship laban sa BTK. At sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa iyo kung anong item at emblem ang gamit niya kay Iritel ngayong Season 34 para sa kanyang full build first item. Top Boots, Hasclaw, Berserker's Fury, Windtalker, and Great Dragon Spear. Para naman sa kanyang emblem, gumagamit si Kelra ng Assassin na may Fatal, Master Assassin, and Quantum Charge. Narito ang highlights kung paano niya gamitin si Iritel sa M6 World Championship.
Turtle now, the point of contention.
Oh, Kirk with another kick. Puts Mobazane back into his grave. Fly Chicken falls next and Hoon's in trouble. He's looking for the escape, but there's no escape from the Super Family. A triple kill for Kelra. And the
I'm even trying to keep up.
Yeah.
And now we are seeing Shock just not having a game at all.
Oh, a little bit of damage on a Mobazane. A lot of damage on a Mobazane. Kelra finds another one, 4-0 in 2.